How to remove debit or credit card on TEMU. Let's get started. Launch your TEMU app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You're gonna land to the home page. Now click on the U option given at the bottom. Now head over to the settings icon given at the top right corner. Once you're in the settings page, you will find different options. Click on the option of your payment methods. Now from this page, you are able to remove your debit or credit card. If you have added the payment method, it's going to appear in this page. You have to click on that, then remove all the details such as card number, expiration date, and CVV. Once you remove all that, click on done. With that, your payment method will be removed. So this way you can easily remove debit or credit card on Temu. This was really simple and quick process. If you again want to add it, click on the option of add debit or credit card and then provide the details. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.